Latorre appliance repair. Only some maintenance to the coil. Guys, this is what happens to your coil when you don't do maintenance to it. This is what happens to the coils. That's why it's recommended to do coil clean once a year. Do coil clean once a year because your coils get that bad. That's what happens, people. So guys, get your coil clean. Call us at 786-470-5939. 786-470-5939. Get your coil clean and let's get your maintenance going. Get your maintenance going, guys. And I'll be shooting on and off so you guys can see all the, all the maintenance that we do. And then Latorre appliance repair.